I'm going to Disney tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Davy, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you are excited about this video as I am. If you're by the title, this video will definitely be posted before the packing video. I am so excited because in my last video, if you guys watched, I just basically gave you guys an announcement that I'll be going to Disney to celebrate my nephew's birthday. I am a type A person, okay? I love planning, especially when it comes to Disney. I have my iPad here, so if you guys see me looking over here, I'm just trying to make sure I keep up with all the notes that I have written. So yeah, I'm gonna be sharing you guys all my plans. We'll be going for 2 days and 1 night. We'll be going to Magic Kingdom to celebrate my nephew's birthday. So I do have a to-do list of everything that I want to do at Magic Kingdom on my phone, and I will be putting it somewhere here on the screen so you guys can see like our full itinerary, but I'm also gonna go through the itinerary as well with you guys. We also got shirts, guys. Oh my gosh, those shirts are so cute. In the past, I've seen people do this, so it's just so surreal that we're doing this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We'll be driving directly to Disney, and then we will go to Magic Kingdom, and then we will spend the day there. And then there are some rides. I'm gonna put them here. If you guys are looking for baby friendly rides, I did do my research. If you literally go on the Disney site, it literally tells you what rides are meant for any height. I put some stars on some of the rides because those are the most rides that we really want to go on. Definitely want to get my nephew to meet, you know, characters around the parks. I think that's just a nice photo op, especially when we got the memory pass. And I just can't wait to take a picture at the castle and everything, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited, you guys. I'm sorry. Anyways, and then for lunch that day, we'll be doing at Casey's Corner. No, it's quick service, and I think we really wanted quick service, something that we just, you know, get something quick and then eat. We don't have to like sit or dine somewhere and also pay expensive amount of money for food. So I'm really looking at their mini corn dogs. I'm really intrigued about that. I've seen some TikToks here and there, so I can't wait to try that out. I tried their fries and everything, and guys, their fries and their cheese, if you guys never tasted it, try it, okay? If you guys want to keep up, I'm going to post like some short format videos on my TikTok and my YouTube shorts. I am definitely bringing my Disney ears and also my Magicband. It's charging right now, guys. This is just a classic. This is the classic black red bow, and it also matches our outfits. Guys, how cute is this Disney ears? And it matches so well with my hair. I will be doing a packing video, so if you want to see what I pack, and like I said, I'm doing an overnight stay, so this is gonna be a different type of packing for me because I usually stay 2 to 3 to 5 nights at Disney or Universal. So I'm just gonna be bringing a bag, and that's the same bag I would bring into the Disney parks. And as a carry-on, I'm really interested to see how that bag is going to work for me. As you guys can see in the back, I did start, you know, putting things together and packing stuff like that. So if you guys want to see a packing video, please stay tuned for that. It will probably be after this video, so stay on the lookout for that. So turn on your bell notifications, subscribe, and do all that so you guys can keep up to date with me and when I post. Okay, so I think that is pretty much it. I think after we leave the park, we're gonna check into our hotel. Guys, I'm so excited about our hotel, you guys. So we'll be staying at Disney's All-Star Sports Resort. I stayed there before. Nice time, good time. I'm glad to be staying there again, and I'm also glad to be staying near to the pool area, the dining area, the food court area, the buses, because we did stay kind of further away, but we are staying in a preferred room. We kind of have, you know, a short distance to walk, which I'm kind of happy about. So yeah, we'll be checking into that hotel for the night. For dinner, we'll be going to the food court. I might have to try that pizza again, you guys. The pizza at End Zone food court is not to be messed with. I hope it tastes the same way as it did last time I tried it, guys. I just really hope. But yeah, I'll be trying that, and I'll also be trying the cupcake. It's this cupcake that's Oreo something, I can't remember the name, but I'll definitely be getting it again. I did try it the first time I went there. I'm trying it again. It was to die for. And then after that, the next day, which is a Saturday, is when my nephew's birthday is, and that is when we're gonna check out, and then we're gonna go straight to Disney Springs. You guys, as I was talking mid-sentence, it literally said out of storage, so I had to delete something to even continue recording. Anyways, we will be going to the T-Rex over at Disney Springs to celebrate my nephew's birthday. It will be like a birthday lunch, and after that we'll be heading home. So that will basically wrap up our trip to Disney. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for this trip. I will be vlogging. Yeah, so that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you will comment as well if you are someone who is also celebrating a loved one's birthday at Disney. Please comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.